learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come too? So many animals to see, from the land, the sky, and the sea. The zoo is the place to be. I see flamingos. Wow, they are so pink. I see a tall giraffe. Did you know that their tongues are black? I see a giant lion. He has a great big mane. And I see elephants. They use their trunk to drink up water. And I see a zebra. His stripes are black and white. And I see meerkats. Look at them stand on their hind legs. And I see a camel. Look at the big old hump on his back. And I see big tigers. Their stripes are orange and black. I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come too? So many animals to see, from the land, the sky, and the sea. The zoo is the place to be. I see an antelope with such pointy horns. And I see some ducks swimming in the pond going quack, quack, quack. And I see lizards with beautiful skin and long, long tails. And I see snakes. Look at how they slither and hiss. And I see monkeys living in the trees, swinging all around. And I see hyenas. They look like dogs but a bit stranger. And I see a warthog, a wild pig with big old tusks. And I see a baboon, a cool looking monkey with a big red behind. I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come too? So many animals to see, from the land, the sky, and the sea. The zoo is the place to be. I see a chimpanzee. Looks pretty similar to you and me. And I see a gorilla, the biggest primate in the whole world. And I see a parrot. Oh my goodness, such a colorful bird. And I see a vulture, such big wings and a powerful beak. And I see a tortoise, just like a turtle but a whole lot bigger. And I see alligators with big round snouts and lots of scales. And I see crocodiles, like alligators but with pointed snouts. And I see more monkeys having fun swinging branch to branch. I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come too? So many animals to see, from the land, the sky, and the sea. The zoo is the place to be. I see an otter. He kinda looks like a wet fluffy cat. And I see a lemur with yellow eyes and a black and white tail. And I see bats hanging upside down using sonar to see. And I see a rhino. Look, he's got a great big horn on his nose. And I see a polar bear, the only bear with bright white hair. And I see some penguins waddling around, diving into the water. And I see even more monkeys, so many kinds I can't count them all.
Jeez, there's so many animals! I really love the zoo! Woohoo!
I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come too? So many animals to see, from the land, the sky, and the sea. The zoo is the place to be. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
If you liked this song, be sure to ask your parents really nicely, and maybe they'll buy my very first educational music CD. It has this song and many other fun ones. And don't forget to find that big red button and click it so you can subscribe and see more videos. Bye!
Come on everyone, let's make